My name is Kaapo Annala. I'm CEO and co-founder of Neuro Labs, a company which is dedicated to AI-powered neurodiagnostics, starting with epilepsy. So there is a large unmet need in the market, and there's very little disagreement of that between the professional users. On one hand, there's long wait lines for the patients to get an access to the necessary procedures and experts to get the proper diagnosis. On the other hand, the misdiagnosis is really large as well, between 20 to 40%, depending on the expert level of the person who's doing the diagnosis. This combined with the outdated technology out there, still in 2024, the standard of measure both in epilepsy care and the development of a drug development is pen and paper. We can do much better than that. At Neuro Labs, we have developed a novel contact-free AI motion diagnostics product branded Nelly. By utilizing computer vision and machine learning, we can extract from video audio signals tens of biomarkers, feed the pre-trained models, and land with detection of the abnormalities of the patient when that's under observation. And those neuro events that are detected, we can classify to be either epileptic, non-epileptic, or what type of epilepsies and seizures we are talking about. So we have developed a learning system, so that is also continuously developed further to be more accurate, but also extended to other areas and our other indications based on the patient data we collect. As of today, we have the biggest private video library of annotated neurological events and biomarkers there is. We operate currently in 3 different businesses. Home monitoring is the biggest size of the market by 3.4 billion annual addressable market, and that provides long-term monitoring period outcomes to properly diagnose, but also treat these individual patients optimally. In-hospital monitoring provides, in addition to these real-time components, for the safety purposes, to give real-time notifications for the staff if there are moments what comes to the safety of the patients during their monitoring. The size of that business, based on our calculations, is 900 million per year. The third one is our industry pharma business, where our customers are using our technology to measure objectively the outcomes of their therapy. And that is used both under development therapies, but also in market as a companion. And size of that market is 280 million annually. We add value for all of our 3 user groups. First, patients get faster access to these necessary procedures and experts and get the proper diagnosis and proper treatment faster than they have today. Secondly, healthcare professionals, based on our recent clinical utility study, get much more improvement to improve efficiency of their work, but more importantly, get more improvements of the accurate diagnostics, which is 74% better than compared to standard of care. Last but not least, healthcare providers and payers. Based on our recently finished health economic study with NHS, led by the Oxford University Hospitals, that resulted 500 euros per patient immediate cost savings compared to standard of care. That is itself already a big thing for the payers, but it also validates our own calculations of the size of the addressable market. But more than that, I'm mostly happy about our users that they are very happy, because based on our continuous surveys we do, we have been receiving a whopping 85 points NPS score, which equals to 97.8% of the users are actually recommending usage of our product based on their experience. That is very good. Our product is validated by leading institutions, clinical researchers, and also industry players in the field. There's some of them, not all of them, listed here. And as of today, there's over 60 hospitals who are actually users of our product and technology, both in the US and Europe. And then we have 6 active industry players who use our product, either part of their therapy under development, pre-commercial phase, or with the product which is in the market as a companion. So we have also clean roadmap for growth. We started 2021 by achieving first CE mark, which was MDD Class 1 based, and also we got the FDA breakthrough designation at the same year. Since that, we have transitioned our CE mark to MDR Class 2. At the same time, we also extended our indication, and that is actually happening during this quarter. We have also one product also in the market in the US. It's in limited market access for the closed hospital systems called NEL Video Telemetry, and we are expecting our standalone seizure detection device to get the FDA clearance first quarter next year, followed by the full reimbursement in form of NTAP, what we have also submitted. So these two especially are driving the adoption in the US market 25 and beyond. And we have a exactly right kind of team to execute our vision. We have unrivaled industry and medical expertise led by our professor of neurology, medical director Jukka Peltola, and who is really also authority in general in epilepsy. We have also world-class executives and engineers in our team who has several launches of the medical devices and scaling up them in the market under their belt. Last thing, we are actively fundraising. So we are targeting to close our size of 10 million euros round next spring. And it's really about scaling up our products both in Europe and US. If there's any questions or interest, this is my contacts. Thank you.